Today, I am in Schertz, Texas, in a brand new community. We are located 5 minutes from Interstate 10 and less than 5 minutes from the brand new HEB. And this house is a steal. It is reduced by $170,000. You heard me right. We're gonna check it out. Let me know what you think. Okay, so this house is on a 100-foot lot. So right now, there is 25 feet between the house, well, technically 50 altogether, but each house has a clearance of 25 feet. It is a 3-car garage, and it has a mixture of the farm style elevation with the stones and the boards. So this house does have gutters. Upon entry, we are met with an 8-foot door with the window above that. And a nice foyer into the home. So right off of the main door, we do have our first bedroom. There is a closet right in front of there. And this bedroom does have a bathroom attached to it. So it has its own suite. Walk-in closet. Tub area, and it does go and lead into the next room. So it's technically a Jack and Jill bathroom. Okay, so this is the second bedroom in the house. Okay, now down to this hallway. We have our laundry area. Nice tile floor. And it does come with built-in shelving. Okay, so this is our third bedroom. With the walk-in closet as well. Mudroom area. We're about to check out the garage before we move forward. So this is a beautiful garage. As you can see, it does come with the epoxy flooring. Steps that go down. It is looped for water softener, which you definitely need that in Texas. Tankless hot water heater. And it does have the 2-car door on one side and the 1 car on the other side. Nice windows throughout this garage. And something that I've never seen, the epoxy is actually going up the wall. Let's see if I can see that. There it goes. Okay, now as we go back into the home, right after that 3rd bedroom, you do have a bathroom that has a shower, tile, okay, so as we go into the home, we're gonna be met with the open concept, and right off of the kitchen area, we do have our half bathroom right here. And has the nice tile flooring as well. Okay, so inside is our open concept of the living area and the dining area and the kitchen. It's a nice oversized island with the cabinets underneath. Area for the refrigerator. And the pantry area. It does come with the motion sensor lights in the pantry area. Plenty of cabinet space. Has a gas top. Does have the farm sink with the pendant lights above the island. And a drawer for the trash can. Built-in appliances with the microwave and the oven. And plenty of windows in this dining area. Okay. Do have the electrical outlets built in and the fireplace. So right off of this area, we have, it's our flex space. This can be an office, it can be a game room, it can be whatever you want. It's a very nice open space. We're gonna see if we can get a better view of how big the room is. Very nice space. So how are y'all liking the light colored kitchens? Is it something that you like, or do you like it darker? What do y'all think about this? Okay, so now we're gonna move into the primary bedroom before we go outside and see this spacious lot. Okay, so inside of the primary, we have these tall, very tall cathedral ceilings. Okay, and as we go into the bathroom, we have the double doors and a standing tub. And one thing I like is the frosted windows. So you still get the light, but you also get the privacy. And you know, it wouldn't be Texas if we didn't have this little guy as your friend. But he's not gonna hurt anybody because he's not moving yet. Okay, so we're gonna go into the walk-in shower. We have floor-to-ceiling tile and get this nice glass right here that overlooks the tub. Okay, and we do have two closets. So this is the first closet. Has the built-in shelves. Okay. And this is the second closet. And it has the built-in shelves as well. And an extra closet that you can put anything you like, products, you can put your towels. Let's show you the drawers. So it's plenty of space. And they're the real drawers. They're just not the drawer facing that it looks like it's a drawer, but it's really not. So. Oh, and one thing I didn't point out is they do have the remote control for the fans on the wall. So all you have to do, and there is an app that you set up that you can control them as well. Okay, so we do have an oversized covered patio. You can get an idea of how big this lot is. But we're gonna go to the side where this is where you get the most for your land on this house. You can really utilize this area right here on this side. We're gonna go all the way down. You can use this for the pool side, basketball court side, whatever you like, your garden. The fence is stained, so that's a plus. And you do get one tree. So as I was saying, this home is less than 5 minutes from the brand new HEB that is being built. And straight ahead, I'm gonna see if we can We have a view from the backyard. Hopefully you can see that, but this is a new HEB that's being built. It should open in 2026, so you'll get a chance to enjoy that. But we have the same length of yard on the other side. So as I was saying, this home is reduced by $170,000. It is available right now. So if you're relocating to Texas, or if you're in San Antonio, or if you are wanting to move to the Schertz area, because it's not too far from San Antonio. Excuse me, I said San Antonio, but we're technically in Schertz. But yeah, if you're looking to relocate to Schertz, definitely give me a call. My number is 830-369-1776, and my details will be in the description below. Thank you for watching.